YouTube! For all 13.5 people still subscribed, it's your dude Heath Ledger. Alright, I know it's been a really long time. I know that I abruptly left YouTube. I didn't really give you guys that much of an explanation as to what I'm doing and where I'm going and why I'm leaving YouTube. Today I want to give you some closure. I want you guys to understand 4 different things: why I left YouTube, where I'm working now, why I'm back on YouTube, and what you can expect from this channel moving forward. Alright, so long story short, I left YouTube because the work that I accepted, or the job I accepted, didn't allow me to pursue this channel any longer. Basically, there was a bit of a conflict of interest because, as you guys know, on this channel I review sneakers, I speak my mind on different brands, I speak my mind on different shoes, and the job I accepted made it a little difficult for me to be that opinionated without it potentially negatively reflecting on the company. Alright, so the company is Foot Locker. I accepted a job in April of last year to work at their head office. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm gonna have another video where I kind of explain a bit more about what that's like. But long story short, I mean, I work for Foot Locker. I'm reviewing shoes on Adidas and Jordan and Nike, and basically they felt, and I completely agree, that if I was to say something negative about a certain brand and they've built that great relationship with the brand and I'm one of their employees, even if YouTube is on the side, it might make things a little sticky. Okay, so that's why I left. Okay, that's where I work now. So why am I able to do videos again? Well, it was tough for me to leave because I was literally putting out a video almost every single day for you guys. So to go from doing that for 2.5 years to not doing that at all, that's tough, man. That's kind of hard. And I just missed doing it. I wasn't gonna be a huge YouTuber, but it allowed me to just be creative, and to drop all that and not have that outlet anymore. It was kind of tough for me to adjust. So fast forward about 2 months ago, I thought, look, why can't I just do videos? Why can't I just make videos? And I came up with a bit of a proposal, and I approached HR and I said, look, I want to start making videos again. It's not going to be in the influencer sense anymore. So you're not going to see these opinionated type reviews, but at the end of the day, I still want to make content, whether it's on sneakers or fashion, or whether it's on food or lifestyle. After having a bit of a back and forth and working out sort of this agreement, we worked out that it wouldn't really be an issue because I wouldn't really be as opinionated on some of these brands and some of these new shoes. So that's a nice segue into where the channel is going now. You're not gonna see the classic overhead review unboxing of a sneaker that I used to do, and that was a lot of fun because I love just talking shit on camera and giving you guys a straight up review on a shoe. But now where we're going is, yes, you will see sneaker content, yes, you will still see streetwear content. It'll just kind of be in a different way, and I'll also be able to introduce a couple new things. So I will be exploring things like food, I will be exploring other lifestyle aspects, so it won't just all be about sneakers. I know you guys subscribe because you want to see sneakers, but I want to explore some other things, and I think it can be entertaining too. And again, it's a trial period. If you guys watch them and you don't like it, send me that feedback and we can use that to make better videos moving forward. The whole goal of this YouTube thing is it's kind of for me. I just want to have that creative outlet. I want to be able to make content. I want to be able to connect with you guys because that's one of the things I miss the most. Like commenting, replying back to you guys, replying to emails, just getting to know you guys is actually a lot of fun for me. I miss that. So it's a bit of a short video. If I missed anything, please comment below. I'm happy to answer it. You guys are gonna be seeing a lot of crazy cool content in the next couple weeks. So of course I'm gonna try to upload anywhere between 3 to 5 times a week. If you guys have any feedback, comments, or questions, let me know down below. Of course, like this video, subscribe. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I think there's a couple other features I need to get used to, but this is a slow process. I'm happy to be back. I appreciate you guys watching. Your dude Heath signing out. Peace. Oh, and I had to, ooh, no pants. I had to wear that 4-5 jersey. We back.